everyone, welcome to the Sacred Art Classes, and in today's session we will be learning on how to draw a shepherd and a flock of sheep around him. So without further delay, let's get started. So to begin with, I have stuck my paper on the table using masking tape. You'll be using watercolor pencils, and in order to get a really nice border around our drawing, I'm using this masking tape to prevent the colors from going to the margins. Okay, so anyway, we are going to draw a shepherd and a flock of sheep grazing around him. So let's start by drawing a hilltop, which will look something like this. So draw this very lightly because we'll have to erase off certain portions of this hilltop to draw the shepherd and the sheep. Alright, so I'm going to draw the shepherd somewhere over here. So I'm going to draw a circle. So we are using simple shapes to draw the shepherd. So after we draw the circle, I'm going to draw a symbol shape for the body. So I'm going to draw a shape that will look like this. And the same over here as well. I'm drawing the bottom portion of the clothing with the curve at the bottom, like this. Now you can modify the face first. So I'm going to draw the hair of the shepherd like this. Of any unwanted lines in between. And now I'm going to draw the beard. So beard will also look similar to the hair, except that it's in a different position. And again, you can erase off the unwanted portion of the circle that you have here. I'm going to draw the mouth first. So now we have a smiling face, and then I'm going to draw the eyebrows and eyes and a nose as well. There you go. And over here I'm going to draw the hand. So for drawing the hand, I'm drawing a shape that will look like this. So it's the sleeve, and the end of the sleeve will be a oval shape, which I'm drawing very lightly. And we are also drawing the sleeve on the other side. And here I'm going to draw the thumb. And to cute little fingers. We're not adding much detail, we are just drawing an animated figure. And then you can again erase off the unwanted lines in between. Now we are drawing the shepherd's staff. It look three-dimensional. So before we draw that, we can erase this portion a little bit over here, and I'm going to make the staff look two-dimensional by adding one more line next to it. I'll just end this over here, and over here behind the staff I'm going to draw the thumb, and I'm going to draw the fingers wrapped around the staff. Just like that, and after this you can erase off any unwanted lines in between. And over here I'm going to add some details on the clothing, so I'm adding one more layer of clothing over here like this, and I'll just clean up any unwanted lines that I have in my drawing, just to make sure that our drawings are looking neat. There you go. So now we can start drawing our sheeps. So for drawing the sheep, I'm going to again use symbol shapes. So I'm going to draw a sheep right next to the shepherd over here, for which I'll be drawing a circle, which will be a symbol shape. Drawing it very lightly because we'll erase it off very soon. And then I'm drawing an oval shape over here for the head of the sheep. And in the same way we shall add more shapes on the sides as well. I'm going to draw a oval shape very lightly over here, and head over here just like this, and maybe another one here. This, and I might add one more here. Make it a bit smaller so that I can fit on the page. So this will be a baby sheep. There you go. And now we can add details. So I'm going to draw some bumps to represent the wool, the sheep. So I'm drawing it around our sheep like this, and then you can erase off these unwanted lines. And you can draw the wool on the head of the sheep, just like this, and erase off this line here. And you can draw two eyes and a mouth. So this will be the nose, and I'm just drawing a line over here represent the mouth. Maybe I'll just draw it a bit more center. Like this. There you go. In the same way, you can complete all the other sheeps. You can also draw cute little legs over here. Just like that, and also cute little tail. There you go. if you're done till here, you can also, if you want to, you can add a tree on the side of a drawing like this. You can use your own imagination to add more objects in your drawing. If you don't want to add a tree, you can try adding a house or some bushes. Just make this tree look a little bit smaller. We don't want a big tree, we'll just make it smaller here. So we have completed our drawing, and up next we shall move into our painting section. So I'm going to start with this dark green, and I'm going to start from the top over here. Adding lighter shades of green on the right side of the tree, and the darker shade will be at the bottom and on the left side of the tree. Some yellow color towards the end. go. And for the trunk I'm using a dark brown color. Like that. Now for the shepherd, I'm giving a brown, dark brown shade for the upper clothing. And I'll be using a light brown for the other portions of the clothing. So I'm not worrying about the white spaces here, since we will be applying water on top of it and all the white spaces will be filled. For the sheep, I'm adding a little bit of yellow color just all around the sheep. I'm not worried about filling all the gaps. I'm just giving it a shade of yellow, just like that. And for the sky, I'll be giving a very light shade of blue. So just be super careful when you're applying the paint on top. And you have to make sure that your colors won't get mixed up. For the staff, I'm again adding a dark brown color here. There you go. rest of the colors for the skin, we'll be adding it after we apply the colors on the rest of the portions. Okay, so we will do the rest of the coloring, which is applying water, in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video till here, and I will see you guys next week. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.